How to log into Xfinity account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Type in Xfinity login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, xfinity.com. You will be directed to the official website of Xfinity. Now at the top right corner, you're gonna see the option of sign in. Click on it. Now click on the option of sign in to my account. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from this page, you are able to log into your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials of your Xfinity account. So go ahead and type in the email, phone or username. Once you type in, click on Let's Go. And in the next page, you will need to type in your password and click on Done. In the case you have forgotten the user ID or the password, you can click on these options to recover it. Well, this way you can easily log into your Xfinity account. This was really simple and quick process. In the case you haven't registered for your account yet, click on this option, create a new account, and you can do that. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.